Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In the previous video, we have successfully created the recycler view design, right? So now in this video, we will try to write the code to show a list of country, flag names, and the details using a recycler view. I will show you every step from main activity to the adapter, so follow along. So normally the code which we are trying to implement, almost all the time when you are implementing the recycler view, the pattern will be one and the same only. So don't get overwhelmed with the code which I am trying to write it. Most of the times you will be writing the same pattern only. So the pattern will be the same. So don't need to worry about that one. So now quick recap what we have did is we have defined the recycler view in the main activity. Okay. And we prepared three array list name details. So what we'll try to do, what we'll do it, I am trying to explain you. So here, let's try to do something. So now here, open the main activity.kt file. So we will only define the recycler view here. The card view components will be defined inside the adapter. So the adapter is the one thing which we will be trying to connect with the access bridge between the data and the UI. So here let's try to implement the recycler view. So here late init where recycler view it is of type recycler view. That's it. So now we have implemented. So first of all, we have declared the variable. So now you understood about this one, right? So what it is, this one, this is the variable declaration which we have used for the recycler UI component. Late init means I promise I will initialize this later. So we are trying to tell. Okay. So now we need a reference to the recycler view so that we can configure it on the onCreate. We use late init because the view doesn't exist until the set content view runs, right? So that's why. So here what we'll try to do it is this one. So now another one, what we'll try to do is we'll try to create an adapter here. Late init where adapter of type. So here we'll try to create the adapter afterwards. So we'll create this adapter afterwards. So first of all, let's try to bind this one. Okay. So here let's go into here, and here what I would be trying to do it is recycler view is equal to find view by id. This is the recycler view r.id.recycler view. So we have got the recycler view. So now what it is, finds the recycler view in the layouts by its id and assign it to our variable. So we declared recycler earlier. So now we connect to it to the actual UI element so we can configure it. So now here we need to define the layout manager. So we need to set the layout manager for the recycler view. So linear layout manager, we will be having couple of options. So recycler view. So we will be having linear layout manager, grid layout manager, and also the staggered grid layout manager. Linear layout manager means it will arrange the items vertically in a single column by default. So right now here it is vertical, it is ascending. So that means it is a linear layout. So if you want it in a grid layout means, so then you need to mention the column count. So you can also use the grid layout. And staggered grid layout also same thing, other layout. So you can mention the horizontal or vertical. So whichever you want, you can do it. So here for this session, we will be using the linear layout. So here we can use recycler view dot layout manager. So here we need to mention, we will be using the linear layout manager, and here we need to mention the context only. So this main activity. Okay, sorry, main activity. Yeah, that's it. So now we have defined the manager. So now here let's try to add the countries list and all those things. Okay, so here what I would be trying to do it is, so here I would be trying to add the countries list here. So here what I can do it is, here I can add something like you can add it here also. So here you can say or otherwise we can add it here. So now anywhere wherever you want you can do it is. So here what I will be trying to do it is val, let's we'll try to have it here only. So val country names list. So one by one I am trying to take it. It is something like what you can do it is, it is an array. Okay, it is an array list. So it should be array list of string, so it will hold the string value. And the another one which I would be trying to do it is check like this. And another is details list, so val details list which is of type, okay, so which is of type is equal to array list of string. So here also you can mention it as string. And the last one is val images list, okay, image list, okay, whichever you want you can do it. Images list is equal to array list of, this one is integer. That's it. So we have defined these things. So now what I want to do it is, so here at the bottom I want to add the 3 images. So we are having the 3 images, right? So I will try to add country names list dot add of United Kingdom, okay, United Kingdom. And the same scenario I want to add it here, Germany. And in the same scenario I want to add United States of America. So these are the things which I will be trying to add it. So now we have added the country's name. So here I can use the details list also. So details list dot add of, so this is the UK flag, okay, so I can use it like this. And here you can say this is the Germany flag, and here you can say USA flag. So these are the things. And images list also we'll try to add it. So images list dot add of or dot drawable dot, so first one is UK and the another one is Germany, and the last one is USA. Okay, so we have added these all the things. So fine. So now we need to create the adapter. Okay, so we need to create the adapter. So adapter we can define it here instead of writing for the recycler view the adapter and all those things. So what you can do it is, so here we need to mention it as something, yeah, like this we need to mention it. So these are all odd characters, right? So we need to mention it. Okay, fine. So now here instead of mentioning it as an adapter, we will create a separate class. So now here let's try to create a new and Kotlin class. So here I can write it as an countries adapter. So countries adapter. So this is the adapter. So let's try to create it. And here what you can do it is, so here the same thing. So here you can mention it as, so val, you can mention in both the ways. So here you can mention it as where country name list, okay, country name list, it is of type array list of string, okay, so you can mention it like this. And here you can mention it as details list, okay, and here also you can mention it as images list is of type is equal to, here also you need to equal to, and this one is of type integer, okay. And another one which it will take it is the val context is of type context, okay. So these are the variables which we will be taking it. Here you can mention it as an late init, okay, where we can also take it as something like this. So now we got the values. So here you can mention it as a constructor. Here you can have the country names, country name list of type array list of string, okay. And another one which you can have it is the details list which is of type this also array list of string. And here I can press enter, and you will be having the image list is of type array list of integer, and the last one is the context, which is of type context. So this is the normal traditional way of creating a class, right, in the constructor. So here you can do this dot country name list is equal to country name list. Okay, so you can add it like this. And another one which you can do it is, okay, here you are having the problem with the val, so you can mention it as an where, and here I can add the details list as details list. In the same scenario you can add the images, so here you can make it as small, and here also you can make it as an images list as images list. Okay, here you will have image list, right? Yeah, so you can mention it like this. And the last one is this dot context is equal to context. Okay, so now here this is the how you will be mentioning the class. In Kotlin there is also another way how you can mention this type of constructor. So here you can click on this one, or you can click on this. So here you can click on this one. So here you can able to see, oh sorry, I will try to show you. So this is one way, right? So you are declaring the variables, and in the constructor you are assigning this one instead of this one. So when you click on the constructor, you will be able to see convert it into primary constructor. So you can click on this one, automatically all the things will be converted. So there is no need to add the late init here. So this is how you will be converting. Images list is equal to, okay, so you can remove this one. You can add it like this. So fine. So now here you can add it like this, so that all the variables, so this one is the short form notation of the constructor. So fine. So now we have did this one. So we have created our countries list like this, right? So now we need to create the adapter for this one. Now here what we have did, so we created the adapter class declaration with a primary constructor that takes the three lists and a context. It should extend the RecyclerView.adapter with a nested country view holder. Now what we need to do is, in our main.activity.xml file, so each one is a view holder, right? So this is entirely is a recycler view, and inside this one each one is having a card design. So this each card is a view holder. So this one we need to capture it. So for this one we will be creating a new class for this one, inner class. So inside this one, inside this country adapter, so I will create a new class that is nothing but what I can say is country view holder. Okay, country view holder. Okay, and this one should have a view, item view of type view. Okay, this is nothing but the card design view, and this should that's it. So here this is the class which you will be having, and here what I would be trying to do it is, so let's try to get the country UI name. So we'll capture one by one. So we'll capture one by one and we will make it create. So here what I would be trying to is text view country name. So one view I am capturing, so that is nothing but what I was trying to do. So this text view I am trying to capture it here. So here where it will be located, in the item view dot find view by id, and this is the text view, and here you can find it as r.id. So here you will be able to see text view country name. That's it. So now we have found this one. Text view, and the another one which I would be trying to do it is, another is val text view details. So I will be capturing the text view details also, and that is nothing but item view dot find view by id of, this one is also a text view. Oh, sorry, this one is also a text view. Text view. Okay, text view, and this one we need to capture it r.id. And we have given text view detail, and another one which I want to capture it is, so here and here I need to capture the val. So last one is the image view flag. So flag is there, right? So here you can capture it item view dot item view dot find view, view by id, and this one is an image view, we know already, and here you can capture it r dot id dot, I didn't remember, profile image. So we'll be having the same name only, we haven't changed anything. So now we are able to, so this is the text view name. So we have captured all the things in the country view holder. So that means here the card design view, so we have captured this text view, and also this one in this country view holder. So what it is trying to do here, the view holder stores the references to the view inside a single item, card layout. Item view is inflated card layout. So here view holder pattern improves the performance. This one, views are found once per item creation and reused it. So whenever we are looping it, this one will be reused it. So now here the view holder represents only one card. We bind text view and image view once when the card is created, and then we reuse that holder for scrolling, which is efficient. So that's why. So now here what we need to do it is, so here we are having the countries adapter, right? So now we need to inherit this one. So now here so now here the adapter class declaration, so we need to write it should extend the RecyclerView.adapter with a nested country view holder. So this one. So here you can write it as something like RecyclerView.adapter. So this should be imported, and we need to send the view holder. So that view holder is nothing but country view holder. Okay. So country view holder. So we can write it like this. That's it. So now this one will make you implement 3 methods. So let's try to implement those 3 methods, and here it will ask you to implement its members. Okay. So let's implement these 3 members. So now in the next video, what we'll try to do it is, so we will try to implement these three things, and let's try to see the output. So this video is getting longer. So in the next video, we'll try to see, we will finish it off this recycler view. So hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.